Alright my friends, so it's time for us to finish the array lesson and we are gonna learn about the find array method. Now the find, it is a different use case because let me show you how it's gonna work. So here we have the previous arrays, okay, and what I want to do, I want to apply a very simple example. So I want to find, okay, the user with the age, okay, of, let's say for example 10. I want to get this user then delete it from the database, okay, so or I want to do something with this, okay. So we are using the find array method to find a specific item inside our array. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna create a variable, let's call it for example whatever, I'm just gonna call it user, okay, should equal to the ages array dot find. We are gonna find, and also it is like the others, okay, it is gonna take a function as a callback, okay, and this function right here will be applied on all these items, and in order for me to access these values from these items, I need to give it my parameter, which will be age as you expected, okay, and I'm gonna return the age that is equal to 10 or triple equal to 10. So I'm gonna find any age that has the value of 10 and I'm gonna return it to store it in the user variable like so. And here inside my div I am just gonna render an h1, oops, so h1 like so, and in this h1 what I will do, I will go ahead and print my dude, which is the user, okay. Very simple use case example. So if you switch back, we can see our 10 being presented. So we were able to find the user with this age right here using the find method. So this is really a silly example. I just want to convey the idea of how the find method work, but in the next video I'm gonna explain objects, okay, and after that we are gonna start working and dealing with a real example, okay, because I'm gonna combine array of objects and how we can find and filter and map through them. So this is really common use case and it is gonna be super fun. Hopefully that makes sense. Thank you my friends so much for watching. See you in another one.